Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how I was making some tire blankets for Autocross to keep your tires warm. Here's some completed ones and one on the car. What you're going to need is a roll of radiant barrier foam here. So this is 24 by 10 foot. You probably need 3 rolls. I'm going to be getting it done in 3 rolls. I kind of got one for each tire for a little bit of safety. You're going to need some foil tape. Probably use duct tape, but foil tape is designed for radiant barrier and stuff. And I have some wider 4-inch tape that I use to roll around it. First thing you're going to do is you're going to get a cutout of your tire here. So just lay your tire on top of the 24-inch radiant barrier, trace it outside and cut that. You're going to end up with a little flat edge right here. That's fine. You're going to have a little bit sticking out. If you look over at my car here, you know, there's a little bit sticking out, but nothing big, right? So after you cut that out, second part you're going to get is you're going to need to get some strips that you're going to go ahead and make the part that goes inside the tire well over the base of the tire here. This is cut out to 12 inch, so I just split the radiant barrier right down the middle. If you have narrower tires, you might need to do a narrower cut, or if you have super wide tires, these are for 315s, but you might need to cut or do multiple cuts. So what you're going to do is go ahead and start attaching that to this bucket here. So I'm going to go ahead and grab one of the ones I already did to show you what we did here. So on the very edge, I put one strip right up here. It's probably really hard to see, but we got strip, and then just every like 6-8 inches around here, I put another little strip and just kind of attach it as I went to stand it up like this. And then after that, you take it and you have your tire down here. You're going to flip it over, put it on top of your tire so you have a little bit of form to press down on it. And then you're going to take tape and seal the edge. So when you attach this to the side pieces, you're going to have a little bit of a gap. And this is where I use the 4-inch tape. So just started wrapping it on the flat side here on the base of the tire all the way around. And you just kind of press it down as you go around the edge. Okay. And then I added these little tabs here with a little bit of extra foil tape, just kind of stuck it to one side and then folded it over to make that. It goes pretty quick, not super hard. You don't need a lot of tools to do it. Just regular old shears, some tape, maybe X-Acto knife is all you really need to do. And for about $50, maybe $60, you'll have a set of tire warmers. That's it.